Welcome. At Chico State, we have a unique approach for you to learn while also gaining real-world experience and being part of a potential tech startup business. In these projects, students in computer science and entrepreneurship programs will collaborate in small teams to create tech startup projects. First, let's talk a little bit about what ideas make for a suitable project. Creating unique mobile or web applications are popular choices, but there's other opportunities as well. However, if you're just thinking about creating a website that promotes a business or sells an existing product, that's not a good fit for these projects. Instead, for these projects, software must be the product. And so let me give you a few examples of past products that have worked well. Dynamics Lab is a virtual reality environment for helping students visualize and interact with complex dynamical systems as they learn to apply theories from math classes to example problems. Secrypt is an encryption app designed for anybody to be able to make use of advanced privacy technology without having to be tech savvy at the same time. Safe Baby is a smart gadget paired with a mobile app that helps parents keep track of their children and provides customized alerts if the children aren't where they're supposed to be. And the Entreprutos project developed a dashboard to work along with an existing mobile app so that businesses that were offering customized deals and promotions to people in the local community could manage those specials and track how well those deals and coupons had been redeemed. In all of these examples and others from past semesters, unique software applications have been created that provide something of value to real people and could plausibly become the basis for a successful business. Some projects aren't appropriate for this collaboration, however. For example, if the product itself doesn't require sophisticated software, it wouldn't be appropriate. Case in point, if your friend designs custom clothing and they just want a website to sell that clothing, that's not suitable for this collaboration because the product isn't the software, it's the clothing. Likewise, if you have an idea and you're just trying to look for free labor to build it, this isn't the right venue. Our projects instead will involve real partnerships where both entrepreneurs and software developers will work together. Each member of the team is expected to be actively contributing throughout the semester, which includes meeting face-to-face outside of class and carrying your own weight. But accordingly, team members will also earn a share of the business corresponding to how much they put into the project. In class, we'll help you come up with fair agreements that recognizes everybody's contribution. So if you don't know yet how to do that, don't worry right now. Now, if you were given this video, most likely you're enrolled in either the software engineering or web-based entrepreneurship class. Any student in either one of these classes can propose their idea for a project. However, in order to form a tech startup team, that idea that's proposed needs to get enough interest from your classmates so that there will be a suitable team to meet the entrepreneurial and software development needs that that project really requires. You will also get a chance to identify which projects you are most interested in, and we will form teams comprised of people excited to make that project a success. Once those teams are formed, everyone will be expected to participate in weekly face-to-face meetings outside of class, and there will be periodic progress checks, as well as an end-of-semester presentation where you have also an opportunity to win some prizes. As mentioned before, we require all the teams to come to an agreement about how they wish to share the equity and intellectual property ownership, and we will teach you how to do this in class. Speaking of which, while your professors are here to help the team succeed and doing whatever we can to assist you, We will not claim any of the ownership of any of these projects. We're simply here to help. Throughout the semester, we will be teaching the classes independently to learn the modern techniques, theories, and tools that then you will take and apply those lessons to your projects. From a high-level perspective, you can expect the software engineers to be designing, developing, and testing a software prototype. And along the way, they'll discover some technological challenges and come to solutions using their expertise in computer science. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs will be researching the market as well as potential customers to help the projects make informed business decisions, and again, bringing their expertise to the project as well. Both sides of the partnership require active communication and collaboration to make sure that the team can adapt to whatever they discover along the way. We will also be teaching you ways to help that interdisciplinary collaboration run smoothly. Throughout the semester, teams will be applying modern methods to make incremental progress that abides by a fail fast philosophy. By failing fast, what we really mean is that there's a focus on being able to discover any issues quickly so that you can adapt to what's not working and hopefully come to a better solution. That's true for the software side, but that's also true from the business side. To help facilitate this interdisciplinary collaboration, we'll also have a few lessons over the course of the semester where the two classes will meet and work on assignments together. And before we look at the whole semester, let's first look at just what's in store for the first couple weeks. Separately, both classes will get an introduction on the first day of class to just get oriented to what to expect from their individual classes. However, then students will start to brainstorm and also submit their ideas before the following class. Because in that following class, on that Wednesday of week 1, we will all meet together, and each person who had submitted an idea will have about 1 minute to pitch their idea and get other students interested in their project and want to collaborate. Now, after all those pitches are given, there'll also be some time to ask questions and figure out more about those project ideas. But then before the end of the week, we will find out which projects each person is interested in, and then the professors will work together to make sure that we form teams with the project that get enough interest. And so we can get started on the actual projects by week 2. Now, on both Monday and Wednesday of week 2, classes will meet together again. First, to create a partnership agreement that I alluded to before, but then also to start beginning the planning and the development of the project idea to continue on beyond these first couple weeks. And as you finish this video and start brainstorming project ideas, you should also consider that there's some possibility of using some exciting newer technologies. We're also providing you with some resources to find out more information about specialized equipment that we have here at Chico State that will be available to you if you so choose for you to use in your projects this semester. Welcome again to the beginning of the semester. We look forward to hearing from your creative ideas.